Welcome to Stress News. My name is Samantha Emerson, and my colleague is Peter Easton.
Today, we have stress coach Natalie Frost in the studio. She will tell us how important it is for us to decide to become less stressed.
Natalie, why is this decision so important?
Without making the decision, we will not be less stressed.
What is essential when deciding to do something about our stress?
We must remember that it will take more time than we like to spend.
Why does it take a long time?
We have a lot of adrenaline in our bodies when we have stress, and it takes a long time before all that adrenaline leaves our bodies again.
Why do we have so much adrenaline in our bodies?
Because our bodies produce more every time we get stressed.
What do we need to do to get it out of our bodies?
We have to relax a lot more than we usually do.
How long does it take?
It's difficult to say because it depends on how long we have been stressed, as well as how stressed we are by the time we decide to do something about it. I would say it could take from 2 to 6 months before we are completely healthy again.
But what must we do to reach our goal?
Every day we need to do things that make us less stressed.
Is there anything else we need to keep in mind during that process?
We must remember to be kind to ourselves.
How can we do that?
By being patient, taking our time, not running to the goal.
Can you recommend using a professional to help with the process?
Yes, I can recommend a professional that can help if reaching the goal is too complicated.
Natalie, do you have any questions for those who are following Stress News today?
Yes, I do. Do you agree that before you can get less stressed, you have to decide to do something about it?
Natalie, what are you going to tell us tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will talk about how important it is to listen to our bodies and feelings.
Thank you, Natalie Frost.
See you all tomorrow on Stress News.